Hey guys, hey, welcome to Grunt Golf. Today I want to give you a quick tip for seeing where you're striking the ball. It's going to help you really increase your ball striking, because knowledge is power, right? So, gonna get yourself some outdoor foot spray, something that looks like this. Dr. Scholl's is what I use. Shake it up, spray it on the club. I spray it on the hosel because I hate the hosel a lot. So, I'm gonna put it down. Move that stuff out of the way. And you're simply just going to swing. So as you can see, I pulled that one pretty good, but it's pretty clean, a little bit toey, I'd say. So that's it. That's all you guys got to do. It's going to help you know where you're striking, and for me, I know that the face wasn't that bad, but the club path was pretty bad. So let's see. Let's do one more and see where it goes. There we go. It's a little bit of a better one. There we go. About 130. As you can see, that one was just about perfect. So there you go. It's that easy.